What is up, guys? It's Rick, the legendary cop car explorer. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why the Crown Vic sucks. I'm counting down from bad to the absolute worst. One of the first things I noticed about my Crown Vic is that there are holes everywhere. There are holes on the roof. There are holes in the trunk. There are holes on the side of the door. There are holes in the bumper. Holes. There's holes everywhere. Look at that. Sometimes there's even holes on the floor of the Crown Vic. Yikes. If you're lucky, you may even find one with bullet holes. Number 4. They're too damn big. Crown Vics are 6 feet 5 inches in width and a massive 17 feet by 8 inches in length, and even longer if you have a push bumper. They are literal land boats. They take up all your garage space. They make parallel parking into a nightmare. They're just too damn big. Driving a regular sized car after driving this mammoth will make you feel like you're driving a go-kart. Oh, and good luck maneuvering through that Taco Bell drive-thru. It looks so much bigger than that car.
And it seats the same amount of people.
Number 3. Crown Vics are dirtier than you think. Your Crown Vic used to be a patrol car. A patrol car that has picked up countless homeless, hookers, drunks, tweakers, criminals. People have peed or puked in here. During some of my search ventures, I have found countless crack pipes and just about every single drug you could think of. Blech. I would hate to run a black light in here. Number 2, Crown Vics get too much attention. Everyone notices the cop car. There's always some chatty guy at the gas station right when you're in a hurry.
Nice car.
There's always those dirty looks you get on the road after they realize that you're not a cop. And the absolute worst is the whoop whoop shouts you hear everywhere you go. Crown Vics get too much attention. That can be a downer after a while. Now, the absolute worst thing I hate about the Crown Vic is the damn fleet key. Your Crown Vic key opens and starts just about every other Crown Vic in your state. One key works for all is a great idea in a fleet department, but not for a guy like me. I had 2 Crown Vics stolen right out of my driveway. I had equipment, property stolen right out of my trunk over that damn fleet key. It absolutely sucked. Changing out the locks is not cheap.
So everywhere I go, people are always like, hey, nice cop car. There's always that guy at the gas station who wants to be all chatty about your car right when you're in a super hurry. There's positive and there's negative things. Cops wave at you and cops always stare at you. Shut off. Slow. It's okay, it's getting away with it. Keep going. There you go. Alright, here, stop. Now we keep going to that corner. Right here. Stop.